Hello everyone, we will learn in the video different ways to say the phrase let me know in English conversation. So let's restart. Keep me updated. Keep me updated. Keep me informed. Keep me informed. Inform me. Inform me. Notify me. Notify me. Keep me posted. Keep me posted. Keep me abreast. Keep me abreast. Keep me in the loop. Keep me in the loop. Tell me. Tell me. Keep me apprised. Keep me apprised. Keep me heads up. Keep me heads up. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon